Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Air Wick Lavender and Chamomile Air Freshener Spray. Yes, okay, now I gotta tell you that I am a huge fan of fragrance lavender. It's it's really good to me. I like it a lot. I really do. I use it for a lot of my fragrances that I use, like the car, just like in the bathroom, and different things like that. I just really have always really liked it. And Air Wick has come up with a combination here that is really good. Lavender and chamomile together, and it just sent me over the edge. I really like it. I think it is a really nice combination, and what it does is it makes me feel like I am in a field of flowers for some reason, like in an open prairie or something, where there's just flowers blooming and it's just smelling really nice. It's very relaxing to me. What it does is it actually gets rid of any smelly odors that are in the air and lasts up to like an hour and a half. I mean, that's my experience, and you can smell it right away in seconds, and it's really soft. It's not overbearing. You don't have to spray very much to get the effect that you want. One good spray in one room, like you don't have to run all over the room spraying. Just one good, like a 1.5 second spray, you're good, and you don't have to touch it again in that room. It's really good. I like it a lot. Air Wick is very good, but this is the issue I had with it. I like it a lot, but this was the problem with this canister. For some reason, this part here is where you spray, like you spray like that, but for some reason that this part here where it would come out always, well, since I've been buying this flavor of it, well, this fragrance of it, it started to break right here. Well, it malfunctioned, and instead of getting that cone spray, that cone that comes out, it would just build up right here and bubble, and it would start to just drip down like on the inside, and I don't know why. So I was like, oh, I got a defective one. So what I did was I tried to fix it, and I tried to like stick something in the hole there because I thought maybe it was clogged or whatever, but it didn't work. So I went back to the store. Like, this happened after using it for maybe about a week, about 2 weeks, and then it happened. So I really liked the fragrance a lot, so I was willing to go back to the store and buying another one. But that one, it did it again too. That same thing happened. I don't know what it was. It was so messed up. I don't know why. But that time it happened almost right away. It happened like about after using it for about 5 days. And then it happened. I'm not sure what it was. Maybe it was a bad batch. Something about this mechanism here, it just clogged, and it really bugged me because I really like the scent. So I wasn't gonna buy another one, but wife went and got it because she likes it too. So she said, oh, let's just go buy another one. So I didn't buy it, but she went and got it. This is the one she got, and so far so good. This was about 4 days ago she got this one, and so far it's working fine. But that was my experience with the container. It's weird. I don't know. It was just something about that part there. Maybe be cleaned periodically or something so it doesn't get clogged, because it was just doing right at all. It was really bad. I mean, it was just bubbling and it was just dripping down. Like, it was very annoying, and I was very disappointed because I really do like the fragrance. I haven't tried many different ones of Air Wick, but I know the lavender is really good, and I recommend it to anybody to try it because, like I said, it's a relaxing fragrance that will make you feel like you're in a field of flowers. Well, it does that for me anyway. I like it a lot. Okay, well, that's the Air Wick Lavender and Chamomile Fragrance Air Freshener Spray. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.